everyone, I'm Monica Jain and the shining star of the ES Institute. Now I will tell you a story our topic is greed. So let's start the story. Once upon a time there was a farmer and farmer lived in a village and he had a hen who laid the golden egg daily. He sold the eggs in the market and earned money lots of. But farmer was very greedy, so he wanted to become rich at once. So he killed the hen and and killed the hen to get the all of golden eggs at once. But he found only one egg and ashamed he felt ashamed, but it was of on use. So the moral of the story, we never be greedy, and greed is a curse. Thank you. Bye.